Welcome everyone. Today I will guide you through the extrusion process of aluminum profiles. Let's get started. First, the mold and the aluminum rod are heated simultaneously. Then, the heated rod is cut and fed into the machine for extrusion. Next, an automatic tractor pulls the extruded aluminum profile. Keep in mind, the profile is hot at this stage, having just come out of the extrusion machine. To ensure precision, the profile is straightened and cut to the design length. After extrusion, the aluminum material undergoes a 5-hour aging process, allows it to reach its optimal alloy state. That concludes our overview of the aluminum profile extrusion process. Stay tuned for more insights and information in the future.